in this lecture we will see next option from the mill contour, and that is Z-level profiling. So this is Z-level profiling. We use this Z-level profiling for semi-finishing and finishing in mold or die and casting components. Okay, and this is specially used for the steep area, but we can use for non-steep also. So let's see this option and select this one. And my workpiece is this program folder is this program, and tool I'm going to use a ball mill tool. Okay, so let's see whether we have any ball mill or not. Okay, okay, I'm going to use this ball mill 8 diameter, and my geometry is this second workpiece, and method is this semi finish or finish. Semi finish we have already done with the rest milling, so I'm selecting this time as a finish. Okay, and see, by default it is steep area. Steep containment is steep only, so it will finish the steep area, and the angle is 60 degrees. So angle between 90 to 60 is a steep area. So you can change it, no problem, but here it is 60 degree, so no problem. And my tool is defined, and the merge distance is a gap between the uh, tool path. See, in this green arrow shows the merge distance. If the merge distance is more than 3, so it the tool path will retract and again engage and start cutting. Okay, if it is less than 3 so it will directly generate the tool path over the gap, and this minimum cut length is the minimum length of the tool path which it will create, and the depth of cut is 10, so I'm going to change it to zero point 0.1. And trim, I'm not selecting this trim. Okay, so we will see this later. And here in geometry, as I have done in cavity or rest mill, I have not selected any cut area, so same I'm doing with this. Let's see what happened. Just generate it. The toolpath will generate for all the part. These vertical faces are also the part of this body, so this ZLevel profiling will create the toolpath over this face. See, although I don't require any toolpath on this vertical face, they are already perfect. So this time I'm going to select this cut area, otherwise it will select complete model. So this is all my area to cut. Okay, and generate. Okay, automatic, no need to change. Strategy depth first. Okay, here we have the cut level first or depth first, and this between transfer we will see, no problem. Just calculate first. Let's see the 3D verification. First it will generate the IPW, because we have already done 3 operation. Now this is the finish operation. So it is cutting only the steep area. Now I want to generate same program for the rest of the area. So I'm going to, on this cut between level, it will create a step over as we have taken depth of cut. So depth of cut is zero point 0.1. Now it will label, the same will generate 0.1 and change this to none. Otherwise it will create this toolpath only for the steep area. I'm going to change it none and generate it again. So click it OK and let's see the preview and click. Now the tool is cutting over the steep or non-steep area both up to the tool can reach only some areas are left on the corners. Okay, and click this OK. And one more thing, go to this strategy and see this engage and retract move. They are again and again reaching up to the clearance plane. So I'm going to change this. So level to level, cut between level to level is use transfer method. I'm going to change this direct on part. Okay, see this green line is representing the this level. Okay, this is connection. So click it direct on part and generate it again and see the difference. Okay, directly it is connecting the tool path. And I'm going to change this to ramp on part. To see the ramp is at certain angle and that is 10 in our case. It is ramping. And next option is stagger ramp on part and this helical connection will create. Okay, ramp angle is 10 and generate. See this time it is helical in shape. See this one. This is the connection between the tool path. And same it is here. See. And okay. And I want to see the simulation 2D dynamic and just play. Okay, it is not creating now. So verify with this, go to replay, stop, and again. Okay, So this is the Z level profiling. Hope you understand.